This video is for my people in the diaspora. So, are you in the diaspora looking at investing back home in agriculture in Nigeria, but you're scared of being scammed or you're scared of losing your money to wrong investments? Don't worry. In today's video, I want to talk about 6 low risk investment that you can do as a person in the diaspora. These are actually low risk that you can invest in. So if this is the kind of video you've been looking for, you know what to do. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, check out other videos on the channel, and I promise you one thing, you will definitely get value. If you're seeing me for the first time, hello, I'm Fami Julie. Welcome to the channel. On this channel, I'm all about profitable agriculture business. Let's just say I make your money grow in agriculture. All right, so let's dive into the video. The first one that you can do, the first way you can invest in agriculture in Nigeria, someone in diaspora, is by trading. One, either by storage or by buying and selling. So you need to look for someone that is reliable, or a company that does it, a company that is reliable, a company that is accessible that you can invest with. It's either you store your grains and sell off by the time it is right to sell, or you partner with someone that does buying and selling. So there was a time I used to do partnership when it comes to storage. I stopped this year due to a whole lot of things. A whole lot of things are currently going on in my life that made me to stop. But by maybe September, October, we will pick it up again. So I do partnership with people that, okay, I get 2 to 3 people to join me. Maybe I want to buy 1 ton of cashew. I look for people, mostly people in the abroad are the ones that partner with me. You bring your certain money, I bring my certain money. I sell some, I store maybe for 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. I store, I resell. You take your profit, you take your profit, you take your capital. If you want to reinvest, you invest. So this is an aspect that you should consider. Note, I said look for someone that is reliable. Look for someone that is reliable. Don't look for someone that will jump out with your money. So my own procedure, my own, like, will I say, rules when it comes to this aspect is I don't exceed the number of people I want. So let's say I already know that I'm storing, e.g., charcoal, and charcoal, the amount I need to store charcoal is 2 million naira. But I, as family Julie, I already have 1 million naira. So I'm going to look for either 2 people that will give me 500,000 naira, or I'll look for 4 people that will give me 250,000 naira. So once I've seen those people, I am not adding extra, because I know that I can comfortably sell off that 2 million naira worth of charcoal. Do you understand? But if I start collecting money from people, okay, I can sell off 2 million. Definitely, I will try and sell off 5 million. What if I don't sell off the 5 million naira worth of charcoal? So that is why this aspect, to me, I'm actually limiting it. It's always limited. And what I do is, people that have invested with me before, let's say if I start in September again, I will reach out to them. If they're interested, we kick off. If we need new people, I'll just add 2 more. So why am I saying this? This is an aspect that I've helped people to make money even without being in Nigeria. The next aspect will be farm leasing. So any type of farm. If you're someone that is interested in poultry farming, don't start the poultry farming once you are abroad. What I'm going to advise you is set up everywhere, the pen, the cage, every single thing that requires for a poultry farm to run. Set it up. Now lease it out to people to use. They will pay you. You can have a percentage that, okay, this poultry farm, this certain percentage is what I want to be collecting from it. Or if you don't even want percentage, you say, okay, this poultry farm, to lease it yearly, or to lease it monthly, or to lease it quarterly is 500,000 naira, or it's 1 million naira, depending on the capacity and everything that you've built. So this is another profitable venture, leasing of farmlands. Also, if you have lands that you are thinking, should I cultivate? Should I not cultivate? Lease it out to people. I have lands now that I personally have not cultivated for the past 2 to 3 years, but those land are generating money for me, and those land are being maintained for me. Once they cultivate, I also have shares in whatever they plant. So the last one they sent to me was onions. You come with agreements with these farmers, and they will accept your own terms and conditions, or if people meet at the middle. Now monthly, I have a certain farm that gives me money. Monthly, I have another farm that I have trees under. Someone has leased the land and the person is working on it. Once he harvests the palm tree and he converts it to palm oil, I used to get a keg, sometimes half keg. So these are ways to earn passive income if you are abroad. Know that I'm not saying you should start farming or this, because there are some things that are beyond your control. this is Nigeria, to be very honest with you. So look at this aspect and invest in them. The next aspect that you can invest in is agro processing equipment for rentals. So when I say agro processing equipment, I have someone, I think I did a vlog when I visited a farm inside Akinyele in Ibadan, and the owner of the farm has palm trees, and he also has an oil mill, palm oil mill, where people bring their fruit and they process it and they give him his own. So what the man does in this aspect is he sets up the oil mill. As of time I filmed that video, I think it cost him just 3 million naira to set it up. But this man, every single day that place run, he does not pay for the diesel. He has manager that once they collect a token from those people to come and process, they use it to diesel the place and service the whole machine. But what he does is once you come to mill, if you are milling 25 liter, you will give him 5 liter. So like that is making his money. You don't necessarily need to be the one using your factory that you set up. Give it access to farmers that need it and make your money in bulk. From 25 liter that you get 5 liter, 5 liter might look small to you, but calculate the number of liters that people there produce every single day and how much the man is making from it. This is the business angle that you are meant to look into or to look from. Another one that you can do still on processing equipment is cassava processing mill or factory. They will pay you weekly, they can pay you daily, they can pay you monthly. People carry their cassava, come to your mill. Oh, we did this one at a point that I had a friend at the farm location that has the whole mill. So what I did was I'll go and buy cassava from cassava farmers. I will now bring it to the farm and process it to garri, starch, lelubo, name them, and I'll pay the man a token. So as of then, I used to pay the man 10,000 naira daily. But that 10,000 naira daily, I already know how much profit I am making from it. The man, nothing concern am o. It's me that will fuel the buy diesel for the ones that will grind the garri. It's me that will do this. It's me that will do this. His own is the money that he's collecting is to maintain that equipment. We pay and he puts the rest in his pocket. So yes, this is another aspect that you can look into. I'm giving you like life examples of the ones I have experienced. You can actually look around and see the one that will work in your location. And finally, this one is for those in diaspora. If you have access to African stores there and you have access to take produce from here down there, this is another business that you can start. Anytime you come and greet us for Christmas, pack crayfish, pack ogbono, pack this thing, supply it to the African store there and make your pounds, make your dollars, make your hero. So yes, these are agricultural businesses that are low risk for people in the diaspora. I'm going to end this video by adding this particular point. I didn't want to add it before, but this is another aspect that you can look into also. Plant trees on your land. When I say trees, plant edible trees on your land, plant plantations on your land, oil palm, cashew, rubber, name them. Plant gold on your land so that by the time you are coming back, let's say you are staying